Good evening, Clearbrow, North Dallas, Tesla Model Y 2021, full body wrap, Expel Ultimate Plus, full window film, Expel XR Plus, the S-Tech windshield film on the exterior, and XR Plus on the interior, excuse me, and also the moonroof was done on this vehicle. We also blacked out the logos for Tesla with a satin black, front and back, and that is it. So let's take a look at the wrap here, and just like always, what is the client looking for when they come? Just like the nice couple that came in today, what they're looking for is to make sure that areas are being wrapped on the car. Example, around this light, getting wrapped in, making sure that all that gets wrapped in, making sure that all this gets wrapped in. Obviously the hood, the back of the bumper here, underneath all the bumper, all these areas getting wrapped in. Wrapping all this stuff, wrapping around here, coming up top to this side, wrapping all this in here. Back in the day when these first came out, the 3s, we would terminate here, and people still do that today. We finally figured out how to wrap around in that edge. Coming around the fender, all wrapped in, coming around the top, into our camera bay. We had a dust storm. Look at all that dust. Still looks good for being in a dust storm. That was a quick clean up there. So here we are coming into these plastic shrouds. We go underneath those. We come inside the door, to the door, into the fender to the door, door to the fender. All that gets wrapped in. Has to happen. That's the only way you're going to get the life out of the film. Coming around to the belt moldings, or the window moldings. These come off and it goes under. Same as this side. Molding comes off, film goes under. All areas of the door get wrapped in. Let's see what we can see here. It's really hard to tell. See if we get a focus there. Here's an edge, right here. So that's an edge of the film. Let's come over here. Here's the edge of the film. Coming up under, excuse me, underneath this molding on this rear quarter window, wrapped in all the trunk, all the lid, wrapped into the glass on the back side. Seam on this one, I think we may have covered another one just like this. 2 pieces here. You can do one. Keep in mind, you can do one piece here. There is a charge for it. This is the standard 2 piece, and I'm trying to show you this seam here. It's right there. So not as obvious as most would think. It runs all along this ridge. It's right there, and I'm early up on it. So it's not going to be a problem. It's guaranteed. If anything happens, no problem. But that's the majority. I've only done a small handful of 1-piece tops. And then bumper, all these lights all wrapped in here, wrapped in the back. This is your rear tail light on the passenger side, all wrapped in. So I just wanted to go over it just as a refresher. This nice couple came in today, and they went to a couple other shops in Dallas, and some of the areas are getting wrapped, some are not. One was not wrapping anything. I got to tell you, everything that we do, that's a ceramic coating over that, a 5-year. The car looks fantastic. It's much brighter, deeper than any of the other gray metallics. So that white one over there is getting ready to roll out. We got a blue one sitting right there. He's underway, probably about another 3 hours on that guy. And then he has to get everything as well, like this person. So we got quite a bit to do. Appreciate you guys. Clearbrow, North Dallas, here in Argyle, Texas. 214-414-3809, extension 1 will get to me. I'm Brent. Be happy to meet you, talk about whatever you need, talk about how we do what we do. You're always welcome to come down to the shop and see what we got going on. Thanks again, clearbrownorthdallas.com. Thank you.